So we've gone through and we've scouted our game. We're ready to make our video cut-ups. We want to search the game for different situations so we can put them out on DVD or do film sessions with them. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Digital Editing and Scouting, and we're going to highlight the game or the games that we want our cut-ups to come from. So if I can click one game if I want to, which would be this top game, and now when I click video, any cut-up that I ask for will come from that one game. But if I highlight both of them, now any video cut-up that I ask for will come from both games. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight this top game and hit video. The first thing we get is what's called the predefined edit selector. This is where you actually go in and create the kind of searches that you're going to do each week. For example, let's say in this example I only want to see all the shots that were missed. So there's a few of them in this game there. I don't have a missed shot thing already built, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click New, and I'm going to type in the identification, shots missed. And then I'm going to define what shots missed means. It's all the times that the shot result is equal to miss. I'm going to go ahead and hit done, and when I do that, there it is on the list. So now I can add it to my search and click search, and I'm going to get a list of plays here. There were 6 shots that were missed. Alright. You know, back in this search box, you can search for pretty much anything you want. If you only want the shots that were missed by the team called East, I can go custom, and I can say show me all the times that team is equal to East where the shot result is equal to miss. So it's kind of like an and in here. You want all the times that team equals East and the shot result is equal to miss. So if I do that search, now there's only 4 of them. So you can get pretty specific with the kind of things that you search for with this program. I'm going to go back in and hit video. This time I'm going to search, let's say, for the highlights. So I'll click highlights, I'll add it to my search list, and I'll hit search, and now I've got 13 plays that were considered highlights. Now from here, if I want to, I can just click the play button and I can go ahead and review them one after the other. There's no fast forward, there's no rewind. It goes from clip to clip. As soon as this play is over, right here, it's going to jump right to the next play. So there is no fast forward, no rewind. If you're doing multiple games, then you don't have to worry about swapping tapes in and out. It just pulls all the clips that were marked as highlights from every game that you selected. Okay. If you've got an external DVD burner connected to the computer, you can go ahead and press play on here like I did. Then you can hit record on your DVD burner, and it's an easy way for you to make a DVD. If your computer has a DVD burner built into it and you want to make a movie so you can burn it to a DVD, we have a create movie button right here that I can click. I can click that, set my output file to, let's say, just something on my desktop. We'll just call it, you know, highlights. We'll go ahead and hit save. And when I do that now, it's just going to make a movie file on my computer's desktop of just those 13 plays. So if you had like 5 or 6 games and you asked for all the highlights and you got 20, 30 plays, you can make a movie file of just those 20 or 30 plays. And you know, we're making a pretty standard Windows movie here, so you can actually take that video along with burning it to a DVD. You could also put it on flash drives for kids. You could compress it down and you can put it on the school's website. You could email it. It's just a standard Windows movie file that you can pretty much do anything you want with. We'll go ahead and let this movie create, and when it's finished, we'll go find it. Alright, so the video got created. It's on my desktop. I can go find it. I can burn it to a DVD. I can do all those things that I talked about. That's pretty much it for the video cut-ups. You can go in, you can select any number of games you want, and you can ask for pretty much any situation.